Okay, Theo, we're going to watch you have your rice cereal. You're eating solid foods now, and obviously you really like it. Look how excited you get. Is that delicious? Mmm. What's more delicious, your cereal or your hand?
I need my hand to push it in.
Want some more?
Okay, Theo. Okay. Theo. This is going to be really gross. It's just because it's all over his hands. It's going all over the seat.
That's okay. It's washable.
Ew. Ew. Okay. Here's some more. Oh, and of course I'm making a mess too. Uh-oh.
Oh, and that's your mommy and daddy's dinner.
Oh, that's the grown-up food.
Here, I'll continue.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye to the video. Bye-bye.